Watch the full video of this house on buildofy.com.
This project is for two little girls. We started off with something which was more eco-sensitive in nature, which has low carbon footprint. The earth which was excavated while doing the foundation was used to make the structural walls. It's quite spacious, the plot. It's supposed to have only 3 bedrooms, 1 living room, dining room and an open kitchen. The living room does not have a ceiling. The girls asked, why should we have a ceiling which is always the same? We should have a ceiling which changes. So we decided to have glass because it changes every time of the day. This is the first time attempted largest rammed earth wall done so far, at least in India, that we know about. But here the client had a special requirement. They wanted their love for the Himalayas to be there somewhere. So this is cut as per the contours of a mountain showing the Himalayas.